Welcome, seekers of transformation, to today's journey towards unlocking the secrets of life-changing habits. If you've ever felt stuck or yearned for a better future, you're in the right place. Today, we'll delve deep into the science-backed strategies that can revolutionize your life. So, buckle up and get ready for a transformational ride. Understanding habits. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand what habits truly are. Habits are the invisible architecture of our lives, determining our daily routines, behaviors, and ultimately, our destinies. Whether it's waking up early, exercising regularly, or practicing mindfulness, our habits shape who we are and who we can become. The power of Keystone habits. Not all habits are created equal. Enter Keystone habits, the small changes that lead to big transformations. These habits act as catalysts, triggering a domino effect of positive change in various areas of our lives. For instance, studies have shown that establishing a habit of regular exercise not only improves physical health but also enhances cognitive function and boosts overall well-being. The habit loop. Understanding the habit loop is crucial for initiating and sustaining change. It consists of three components: cue, routine, and reward. By identifying the cues that trigger undesirable behaviors, replacing negative routines with positive ones, and rewarding ourselves for progress, we can rewire our brains and cultivate life-changing habits. Setting smart goals. Goals provide direction, but it's the habits that pave the path towards their attainment. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals, we create a roadmap for success. Breaking down our goals into manageable tasks and aligning them with our values fuels motivation and ensures steady progress. Habit stacking. Habit stacking is a powerful technique for integrating new habits into our existing routines. By anchoring desired behaviors to established ones, we eliminate decision fatigue and make change effortless. For example, pairing flossing with brushing teeth or practicing gratitude during morning coffee sets the stage for lasting habits. The importance of the environment. Our environment plays a pivotal role in shaping our habits. By designing our surroundings to support our goals, we create an environment conducive to success. Whether it's decluttering our workspace for increased productivity or surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals, optimizing our environment empowers us to thrive. Embracing failure and persistence. Change is rarely linear, and setbacks are inevitable on the path to transformation. Embracing failure as a natural part of the process and maintaining resilience in the face of adversity is key. By reframing setbacks as opportunities for growth and persisting in our efforts, we build the resilience necessary to overcome any obstacle. The power of consistency. Consistency is the secret sauce that transforms aspirations into achievements. By showing up day in and day out, we reinforce our habits and inch closer towards our goals. Whether it's dedicating a few minutes each day to practice a new skill or committing to a daily routine, consistency compounds over time, leading to profound results. Cultivating a growth mindset. Adopting a growth mindset is fundamental to embracing change and unlocking our full potential. By believing in our capacity for growth and viewing challenges as opportunities for learning and development, we transcend limitations and strive for excellence. Cultivating a growth mindset empowers us to embrace change, adapt to adversity, and flourish in every aspect of our lives. Inspiring background with uplifting music. As we conclude our journey through the transformative power of life-changing habits, remember that the key to a brighter future lies within your grasp. By incorporating these science-backed strategies into your daily life and embracing the journey of self-discovery, you have the power to rewrite your story and create the life you've always dreamed of. So, go forth with confidence, courage, and conviction, knowing that the best is yet to come.